Here are the material for the mushroom cultivation. This is spirit round. We have Izal. Here we have rubber band, and we have cotton wool. This is cotton wool. We have tissue paper, the cut out tissue paper. You cut it out, these are there. Here we have cup and spoon. We have fire. This is Ochanja fire, and candle. They serve same purpose. Here we have rubber covers. The sage, which is mushroom sage, spawn. This is sawdust, and this is rice brown from the rice. We have calcium carbonates. When you get these materials ready, you are good to go for mushroom production. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.